Morning, students. Students, you all know that in EVS, we have the two projects already given to you. And these two projects are being displayed in your website. I will revise what you have to do and how you have to present the two projects which is being given to you on your website. So we have given you two projects. One is of your periodic test, okay, and another is your term one. For EVS, you don't have the written exam, or you can say an exam of question and answers. So you have to do like the two projects. First is for your periodic test, and the next project is for the term one. That is the two projects we have given. So I will revise and I will tell you how you have to present and how you have to do these two projects. Okay, first I will start with the periodic test. The periodic test. So in the periodic test one project, you on an A4 size sheet. Please don't take a big sheet. It's just a normal A4 size sheet you have to take, and in that A4 size sheet you have to show that what an individual can do for the conservation of environment. How can you conserve environment? Okay, what type of things you can do to conserve the environment. So certain examples we have already given to you. These examples are, first you can show the use of jute bags rather than polythene bags. Why? Because these jute bags are eco-friendly and they do not destroy the environment like the plastic bags. Plastic bags are normally and generally used by the people, and these plastic bags are being thrown away, and this thrown plastic is non-biodegradable. What is non-biodegradable? That it cannot be destroyed by itself. So it remains in the environment and it creates a lot of trash, a lot of unbiodegradable items. So it destroys our environment. So you can use the use of jute bags. Next, for example, we have given to you that is closing down a running tap. Like in your school, etc. Whenever you find a running tap in your home also, you have to close it down. Why you have to close it down? Because these running taps are wasting our precious and purified water. And you know that water is very precious to us. And whatever water is available to us, these water are scarce. They are less. So, we have to conserve water. So closing down the running tap is also a part we can play in conservation of environment. Next is switching off the electric gadgets, switching off the electric items, etc. when not in use. Suppose you are going outside your class, your home, your room, or anywhere else. So what you can do that, please switch off it when not in use, so that it conserves the energy which is being produced. Energy is very precious and we have to conserve whatever energy we are producing it, because this conservation of energy can be utilized in other items, in other useful things. So these are the things, these are the examples we have given to you. What you have to show is that take these examples, or you can take your own examples. You can make use of the own examples, you can use your brains, and you can take other examples also. And you have to first to take one example. Suppose you are making of jute bags. So first give the heading jute bags and write down few lines. Okay. Understood that? Then after writing this, please paste or draw. Okay, you can do both the things. You can paste pictures or draw. To verify it, what you have written down. Understood? You can verify it by writing down what you have been writing it, or how you are explaining it, or what you are explaining. Both the things are allowed. You can draw it, you can paste pictures also to clarify your answer. Understood that? Now, this is the one thing you have to do. Then on the next page, this is the first page you are doing it. You can use this. You can take the second topic. Second topic is, suppose running, close down the running tap. Okay. Now, close down the running tap is your second topic. Okay. You can take a new page, or you can utilize that page also. Write few lines about it and paste pictures to verify your answer. Apart from pasting pictures, you can draw also. Okay, so this is the first type of project. This is how you have to do it. So this is periodic test 1. Okay, this is periodic test 1 project. Okay, now in this periodic test 1 project, I will tell you what is the cover page, or the first sheet you have to write and what details you have to give. Okay. So children, now see here, this is sheet 1. This is sheet 1 for both the periodic test also as well as the term 1 project. The first sheet you have to make it like this. The first sheet, first write down your class, then your section, then the date on which you are making the project, and the project name. Okay, and write down also this is sheet 1 periodic test project. Okay, this is sheet 1. You can decorate the sheet also, but this will be fixed for both the periodic test sheet as well as your term 1 sheet. Okay, this is the first page. Then you can use the next page for explanation of the food bags as well as for the conservation of environment like electricity and closing of the running tap. This is the first sheet you have to make it. Now I'll explain the next project or the term 1 project. The term 1 projects will also be made like this only. The first sheet will be of your class, your section, then date, and then the project, the heading of the project. This is sheet 1. This is sheet 1 for both the periodic test as well as for term 1 project. Now, I'll explain it. Just listen. First is, draw a neat and labeled diagram of water cycle and explain it. So, it is you all know that this project or this diagram is given on page number 14. You can use your book diagram that is given on page number 14. This water cycle diagram. Okay. This water cycle diagram is very neatly explained to you, and what you have to do, you can draw it, you can color it, and you can paste picture of the relevant diagram also. But what you have to do, children, apart from writing down, apart from drawing down, suppose you have drawn this, okay? You have taken one single sheet, a blank sheet, and without a rule, and you have drawn the diagram. Apart from drawing the diagram, you have to explain it also. What you have to do, you have to explain the diagram. Understood, children? Now, apart from this is the first. You have to color it, that is compulsory. and neatness carries extra marks. The first project explanation. The next is you have to do both. Okay, you have to do both. The next is draw a neat label diagram of soil profile structure and explain it. So this is also on page number 20. It is given on page number 20. This soil structure diagram. This one. Soil structure diagram. This soil structure diagram, you please make it both the diagrams, this also, as well as this one. Okay, children? This also and this one. So both the diagrams you can draw it also, you can paste picture. And apart from drawing diagram and pasting picture, you have to write down the explanation of also about this diagram. Understood that? Drawing, pasting is there, and apart from drawing and pasting, you have to write down the explanation also for the relevant diagram. Understood that? So this is your term 1 project. So I repeat once again, sheet 1 for term 1, sheet 1 for periodic test also will be the same. It has to be very neat. Okay. The next sheet will contain about the saving the environment and the next sheets also. So please do not make too lengthy. 3 explanation or 3 points like I have explained you, the tube ban, the running water and the switching of the light, etc. is relevant. You can add one more. Okay. This is the thing you have to do it. For term 1, first sheet is this. Second sheet for the water cycle diagram and the explanation. The next sheet will be of the soil profile diagram and the explanation of the soil profile diagram. Okay, I quickly explain what you have to write down in the water diagram, that is the water cycle, the sum total of events, okay, which keeps moving from, water keeps moving from oceans to the seas to the sky, and water vapor then back to the sky and on land in form of rain and snow is called as water cycle. So water keeps on changing. Water keeps on changing their form evaporation. The water is there in the seas and oceans. In the seas and ocean, it gets evaporated, it forms clouds. And when the clouds become heavy, it comes down in form of rain, snow on the earth, and again it converts into water. This water goes back to the seas, oceans, lakes, etc. Again it evaporates and forms the water cycle. So water on the earth is fixed, but keeps on changing its form from one to another. Okay, this is all about the water cycle. Then we will switch over to the soil structure. Soil structure can be best observed in cross section of the soil, which shown distinctive layer called as horizons. So we divide the soil into various horizons, various layers. So horizon A, the topmost layer of the soil in which the plants grow. This also is the of the biological activity. It is rich in humus and dark in color. So you have to write down the explanation of soil horizon. B, soil horizon. This layer is below horizon A. It contains certain minerals along with humus. It is lighter in color than A horizon. It is not as fertile as A horizon. Hence, it is not suitable for plant growth. Then you have to write down horizon C. This consists mainly of weathered rocks, fragments, and is infertile. It shows accumulation of water. And horizon D. This is the lowest horizon consisting of unweathered parental rock material. So this is all about the soil profile. And please make these both the diagrams for the cross section of the soils and explain it. You can paste pictures also. Then by making these two projects, the number will be provided to you for your periodic test also and for your term one. Please, I am telling you again, neatness and good handwriting carries extra marks. So be very particular in making very good and very neat diagrams and neat explanation of the project. Okay, children, take care and best of luck for your coming exams. Okay, thank you.